Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Eachine E160 3D helicopter going up, and this time it's set up with Futaba. I have just posted a video about how to set up the Eachine E160 with Futaba radio control. Please go ahead, check it out if you haven't watched it and you wanted to know how to do this. Now let's see how it goes, let's see how it behaves. So I've actually wanted to stand there, but anyway, let's just try this area first. It's very windy today, by the way. But I shouldn't be worried much because this is 3D collective pitch helicopter. Right now is in 6G mode and now it's in 3D mode. I just hope I don't crash it. That's a very, very little throttle I can feel. Alright, I'm gonna turn up the pain. That's 90% throttle. Oh, and pitch curves are very, very sensitive. I gotta change that. So hold on, I gotta change the pitch curves. They are very, very, very sensitive. But it flies really nice, man. Even in this much winds, it's actually flying very well. Okay, so on idle up 2, I have set the max and minimum to 60%, and throttle is really high. And also the second and fourth points are on 30%. So here we go. Yes, now I'm feeling much better. Sorry, the wind is really pushing it. Let me bring it at this side because I want the wind to be coming from my backside, so I know I'm still not kind of very used to winds coming from side. I am a 3D learner. Haha, blade is scrapping. My favorite. Okay, I see the tail is jumping a little bit when I give it high punch. That means I have to basically change the gyro gains. But overall, it's actually holding the tail against the wind even really nice. Yeah, gyro is not holding a bit. Guess I have put the 33% gain, which is pretty low for this. The tail hold is not very solid on 33% people. So if you want, you have to, you know, increase the gyro gains to maybe 40%. Almost crashed it. Now, the question was, is the motor getting hot? See, I can still touch the motor and hold my finger this long time. It is hot, but it's not burning hot. I don't know, I haven't had K130 for very long, but it's coming again and I will be able to do that test if the motor is really getting hot or not. Now, let me just set the gyro gains, hold on. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.